Alright, so welcome back to the last video of the series. On this one, we're going to build our portfolio and we're going to go over the last type of dividends, which is REITs. So let's jump into REITs. Uh, this is on Investopedia's website. Basically, going to explain what REITs are. So a REIT stands for a real estate investment trust. So every time you see somebody call a stock a REIT, that's basically what it's going to refer to. The good thing about REITs is that they pay monthly, so you'll get a dividend every single month, which is always great, and you can use to subsidize your income. Reading the key takeaways from here says a real estate investment trust or REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income producing properties. REITs generate a steady income stream for investors but offer little in the way of capital appreciation. So they don't fluctuate that much in stock price, but you do get that dividend every single month. Uh, Most REITs are publicly traded like stocks, which makes them highly liquid. Unlike physical real estate investments, REITs invest in most real estate property types, including apartment, building, cell towers, data centers, hotels, medical facilities, offices, retail centers, and warehouses. So it's not just apartment buildings and houses, but it's all these categories. So REITs are very interesting, and a lot of different types of REITs that are out there that you can get money from to help build your portfolio. So let's jump into one of those. This is one REIT. The name of it is Realty Income, ticker sign O, which you'll see right here. They're currently trading at $60.05 at the time of this video. And if we scroll down, we can see that they pay every single month, which is always a good thing. And you'll see you'll get paid 23 cents every single month. They've also increased their dividend every single month, so that's always a good thing as well. So they started at 211, then they went to 212, then 219, 22, and then up to 23, where they're currently at. So it's good that just holding this, you get dividend appreciation, but you get this every single month. So it's fantastic on that end as well. Uh, and then let's jump into another one. We got Stag, ticker sign STAG, for Stag Industrial. Now they basically do industrial real estate. If you see on here as well, you'll get paid every month, 12 cents every single month. Let me see if they have their current price. They don't have their current price on here, but you all can look them up to see how much that they are going for. But you'll get that 12 cents every single month, which is nice. They've also increased their dividends. So last year it was 11 cents, and now it's 12 cents. So that's always good to see the company increase, especially one that pays every single month. Going to the last one for REITs, we got ticker sign LTC, for LTC REIT. This is a company that does a lot of real estate for nursing homes. So they have a dividend yield percent of 6.14%. And we see they pay every month as well. It'll be 19 cents. So 19 cents every single month is what you'll get. And that's how much you'll get in your portfolio per share of stock that you actually own. If we see on here, they've paid a steady 19%, seems to be every year. So not really one that grows too much, but definitely one that you could add to your portfolio to subsidize your income with that 19 cents. So with that being said, we're going to build our portfolio. I have a pre-built one here that I've put. You all can take a screenshot of this. But the stocks that we're going to put in our portfolio, I have the dates. These are basically the payout dates. So first we have Caterpillar, then Lowe's, Coca-Cola, Illinois Tool Works Incorporated, Colgate Palmolive Company, Johnson & Johnson, Archer Daniels Midland, AT&T, Kimberly-Clark, Realty, which is the one we just saw, Stanley Black & Decker, Roper Technologies, Gladstone Investment, Abbott Laboratories, McDonald's Corporation, International Business Machine Corporation, or IBM, Verizon Communications, Chevron, American Tower, Corporation and Realty Digital Realty Trust Incorporated. So this is just a couple of them. This is dividend yield. They all pay quarterly except for um, Gladstone. Except for Real Estate Income Corporation. I think Gladstone pays monthly. Double check me on that, but I'm pretty sure it does. Now let's jump back into this tool that I like to use when building portfolios. You basically go, you can make a free account. It's called trackyourdividend.com, and then it'll tell you based on how many shares you have, what your annual income is, and what your dividend yield is. The yield to cost is a little wonky, but the dividend yield and the annual income and how much your portfolio value is very helpful when setting up these portfolios. So I have now that you have one share of every single stock that's in that portfolio. And if you were to buy it today, right now, then you'll get $64 annually income. So you get $64 a month, a year, and you'll have $2,598 to invest. So not that much money to actually build this portfolio. And you got to think the more you add onto it, the more money you're going to make, and the more this annual income is going to increase. Now, once you build your portfolio and you sign up for like M1, we're going to jump into M1 and show you my portfolio and basically explain, how it works. So this is my portfolio. Um, this is how much I've invested in it as of today. Earned dividends that I have right here is 49.53, so that's how much I've been paid out. So since I built my portfolio is a lot of different categories. So very large portfolio. So I like to invest in a lot of different things. I like to diversify in a lot of different things and have that option to diversify. Um, which I think helps a lot of people's portfolio. Now, if you go to activity side of it, you can actually see the dividend payouts, and it goes directly into the account. It'll go to this section right here where it says cash balance, and then this is how much you get paid. So you can build a portfolio where you get paid just about every week. It is possible. So let's see if we go to the next month. Let's start the whole month of July. So for July, got paid 3 times on the first, 2 times on the second, then 4 times on the 10th. If we look at the 14th, got paid 1 day, which is 15 cents. The 15th got paid 5 times, which was $16, 14 cents, 48 cents, 6 cents, and another 6 cents from another company. Yes, I do also own O in my account. And then going back to finish up July, we have Stag, which I own as well, 5 cents, ARE, 7 cents. And then on the 22nd, got paid 171 cents. The 23rd, got paid 2 different times from this one company, 5 cents and 6 cents. And I deposited some money into my account to buy more shares, which I think everybody should do. Then going back to the dividends, I have GE, got paid 5 cents. Marvel Technology, 7 cents on the 29th. The 30th was 2 payouts. Was, I guess, one payout. It looks like they paid a little over, so they took some of the change out of it. So a 3 cent instead of a 4 cent dividend payout. That happens sometimes. With M1, I've noticed that happens sometimes, and it hasn't been more than like a 1 cent overage that they take out. So don't be alarmed about that if that happens to you. We have Glad for Gladstone on the 31st, 10 cents. Then also on the 31st, we have Good, which is Gladstone Commercial Corporation, at 8 cents. Then we have Gain for Gladstone Investment Corporation at 7 cents on the same date. Then we have Land for Gladstone Land at 7 cents. We got JP Morgan Chase at 81 cents. We got LTC Properties, which we just went over, at 5 cents. Suns, which is Solar Senior Capital, at 8 cents, and SEM Stellus Capital Investment Corp. So, so 8 payouts on the end of the month. So that's a fantastic, payout. And I think I own about like one share of these. Some of these I know I own partial shares, so it's not even a full share. The good thing about M1 is you can buy partial shares. So, you set up your different pies or, the different, so the pie on here, let me go back to the portfolio. A pie is just going to be this section right here, which is represented by how much you've invested in each section. So this will be considered a pie. This is a pie, this is a pie, and you see how they highlight on the actual total portfolio. So that's just a little synopsis. Go out there, make your portfolio, try to grow your dividends. Use this before you make it. It definitely helps out a lot. It'll tell you how much you're going to make per year, and you can also estimate, how many shares you're going to buy, and then go on and estimate how much money you're going to make. If there's a set amount of money that you want to make per year, this is a good tool to do that to subsidize your income. So let's say your rent was like $500 a month, or $1,000 a month. You can essentially build a portfolio in here and then see how much you'll have to put aside to save in order to have that money set aside per year. Uh, you know, to subsidize your income. So if you want to subsidize, maybe your grocery bill is like, $50 a month, you can build a portfolio where you'll get $50 a month, and then put that aside. Use REITs to your advantage as well. REITs, since they pay monthly, if you put those in and you just use strictly REITs, then this will be your income annually, but then you'll also know how much you'll get paid per month. So there are ways to strategize that can help you grow your account, and also, subsidize your income and find the best passive income for you. Hope this video helped you all. Drop a comment down below if it helped you. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.